A very common question asked by a lot of students is which course should I do in finance or which course should I do in accounts? But it turns out that most of us are using the word finance and accounts interchangeably, or at a level when a student is not aware about the difference between finance and accounts, you are sometimes asked to choose between what do you like, finance or accounts, before somebody can help you with the details of what is the next career option for you. So we thought, let us make a quick video on the difference between understanding what is finance versus what is accounts, which helps you guys make a better decision. And then I'll tell you which courses are related to finance and which courses are related to accounts. So first of all, the difference between finance and accounts is finance is all to do with money, right? It's how you acquire money, it's how you manage money, it's how you deploy money, it's how you invest money, it's everything to do with money. Simple, that's what finance is about. And what is accounts? Accounts is the ability to track all your finances, right? So for example, if I give you 10 crore rupees, I give you, right? The way you receive it is finance, right? You put 10 crore, you buy a house of 5 crores, you put 1 crore in an expensive car, you take a few trips and you have 2-3 crores still saved. This is all finance. But how do you keep a track of it, right? How do you know that every amount, the inflow came at 10 CR, then I spent 5 of it in a house and 1 of it in a car, and then for a trip I went, and in the trip I had so many expenses, and all of that starts becoming extremely complicated over a period of time. And that's when accounting comes in. Accounting helps you maintain how your money, what is the inflow and outflow at a very detailed basis. You can look at your accounts and you figure out, I spend a lot on Swiggy or Zomato, or I buy a lot of unnecessary things on Amazon, or I travel a lot by Uber, or my petrol expenses are a lot, or all of that will come through the analytics, which is part of accounts. So finance is everything to do with money in terms of acquiring and using it. Accounts is tracking and analyzing your money. This is the first thing you need to know as the difference between finance and accounts. Once you understand this, you might be able to tell yourself which one you like more, and now which kind of courses can you take up. So a course like Chartered Accounting, CA, right? It has the term accounting, so by default it's going to fall more under accounts. That being said though, CA or any CA kind of a qualification actually covers everything that you would need to know in the field of finance and accounts. So if you want a combination, first of all, I would suggest courses like CA, courses like, of course, ACCA or US CPA. Even US CMA, for that matter, has a huge amount of a combination of finance and accounts. If you want to look only at finance, then courses such as CFA, FRM, even MBA in finance for that matter, are more specialized in finance. Finance, you can also take financial planning, so even CFP would fall under finance. If you look at only accounts, then courses such as Cost and Work Accountants of India or IFRS, Diploma in IFRS, these are pure outright accounting courses. Hopefully give some of you guys clarity on what is the difference between finance and accounts and what kind of courses to choose if you understand what you like. If not, I would suggest go for the one which has a combination so that you don't have to really make an incorrect decision. And hopefully through this, you guys should get a better understanding of the different terms. So guys, I hope that makes a lot of sense to some of y'all. If y'all have not already subscribed, please do that. And if y'all are already following, then thank you so much. Do leave a like or a comment. It'll help many more students like you guys to help find us.